What's up, YouTube? Today I am back with another video. By the title, you already know what we're finna do. I'm about to be showing y'all how to do my box braids, or I'm just about to be showing y'all basically me doing my box braid. As you can see, I already started. I got all this to do. I got all that to do. Before we get into this video, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on that post notification bell to be notified when I post my next video. And yo, we're just gonna get into this video. So I'm doing kind of small, kind of medium, like box braids. I would have done knotless braids, but knotless braids take time, and I don't have time. I literally have one more day. Well, 2 more days, today and then tomorrow, to finish my head. Like, oh my god, time no knotless. So I don't already threw the little thing away, but don't mind it. I'm using the Go braid in a 26-inch. It's a 10-pack and comes with 10 bundles. It's in the color burgundy. Pretty much while I'm gonna be showing y'all basically how I braid my hair, I'm just gonna be putting some on the watch just so you can keep me going. Okay, so when I get to the ends, because this is like not the length that I want it longer. So what I do is I take pieces, just like you would do in knotless braids. I would take it and just add it in for length, because I don't want my braids super short. So I just add some hair in. Y'all, it is the next day. As you can see, all I got is this left. I've never had, I think I told y'all in the beginning that I never had red all over my head like this, so it's gonna have to grow on me, because right now I'm thinking, bitch, I look like fucking Ronald McDonald. putting in the braids, like doing adding here. Yeah, hold on, let me take this out. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm finally getting done. Y'all understand? Here's the back. I'm about to go finish braiding the ends of them because once I'm done with that, I gotta dip them. I'll get back to y'all when I am about to dip my hair. So it is really like a few days later. I don't know how many days, probably like 3 or 4 days later. I know. And I haven't dipped my hair yet because it just like, I don't really think they really like needed it right now, but just to give it to, you know, some straightening, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all my dipping process. So I'm about to put some water on the stove and let it boil until, you know, it gets hot, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all me dipping my hair. So give me a second. My water is done steaming hot. I'm probably just gonna go like from here down because I don't want, you know, I don't want my whole head just wet. So I'm just gonna do the ends. So yeah, I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do this process. These are like super long. If y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know because I can do more. Comment down below if y'all like this hairstyle, if y'all would like to see me do like, you know, little updos and stuff like that with this hairstyle, and I'll give that to y'all. That was the end of that video. I hope y'all liked it. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on that post notification bell to be notified when I post my next video. But I will see y'all in my next video.